Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Fidelity Margin Account, where we will explore the intricacies of margin trading and how to utilize it effectively. A margin account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to borrow money from the broker to purchase securities, using the securities in your account as collateral. First, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in margin trading. The margin requirement is the amount of equity required to be maintained in your account, which is typically a percentage of the total value of the securities purchased. For example, if the margin requirement is 50%, you would need to have at least 50% of the purchase price of the securities in your account. To open a margin account with Fidelity, you must meet specific requirements, such as having a minimum account balance and being approved for margin trading. Once your account is approved, you can begin trading on margin. It is crucial to understand that margin trading involves significant risks, including the potential for losses to exceed the initial investment. One of the most critical aspects of margin trading is managing your account's margin balance. Fidelity provides tools and resources to help you monitor your margin balance, including real-time updates and alerts. It is essential to regularly review your account to ensure you are meeting the margin requirements and avoid margin calls. A margin call occurs when the equity in your account falls below the required margin maintenance level. If you receive a margin call, you will be required to deposit more funds or sell securities to meet the margin requirement. To avoid margin calls, it is recommended to maintain a cushion of excess equity in your account and to closely monitor your account's margin balance. Best practices for managing a Fidelity margin account include setting realistic investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly reviewing your account. It is also essential to understand the fees associated with margin trading, including interest charges on borrowed funds and other costs. In conclusion, a Fidelity margin account can be a powerful tool for experienced investors, but it requires a thorough understanding of the risks and rewards involved. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively utilize a margin account to achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed.